Did you know you can save money on adult diapers? This simple hack can save you time and money. Let's talk about how this works. This diaper hack involves adding a diaper like Pampers size 8 to the inside of your adult diaper, like a booster. Unlike using a booster that will allow liquid to flow through the Pampers will not leak through to the diaper, and after a wetting, you can simply pull the Pampers out and discard it. Now you still have a fresh diaper without changing. If you add the cost of an ABDL diaper at $3 on average, plus the cost of a booster, we're talking about saving $4 in savings every time you use this diaper hack. Over time, this hack can save you a lot of money while saving you time on having to change your diaper. I have tested this hack out, and it works. From my experience, this hack works for a roughly 2 medium wettings or 1 full bladder release. Thanks for watching. If you found this hack helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips. And hey, if you really loved this video, send me a super like. Your support means a lot.